All right, every Airbnb listing is telling a story. Not the story that you think you're telling, but the story that guests feel in their first few seconds after entering your property. And so today I'm going to walk you through a real listing. This listing is active right now on Airbnb to show you two things. The story this property is telling right now, but also the story it could be telling with a few intentional changes. And y'all, we're not going to be doing a big renovation. This is not going to be a design flex. We're not going to be tearing this place apart. So that's not this video. I will, however, be bringing clarity, perception, and value. And so by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how these intentional changes can actually justify a much higher price without hurting your bookings. But before we go much further, let's spend a little time getting clear on the property that we're looking at. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. It has a private entrance. It's located in the suburbs of Atlanta, tucked away on a cul-de-sac in a residential community. It's about 15 minutes or so away from downtown Atlanta, and it's within fairly close walking distance to shopping, churches, and schools. Now, this does tell us something really important. This is not a party house. It's not a tourist crash pad. And it doesn't only have seasonal only demand. This is an important point now, y'all. So this house works best for visiting families. It works best for short-term relocations, professionals who tend to want something much quieter. It also works for guests who are a little bit more value conscious and those who are looking for space and predictability. And this context matters because every strong transformation starts with an understanding of what the property wants to be. And so one important thing up front, I am not going to try to fix every tiny detail in today's video. Not because those details don't matter, but because some changes move value much farther and faster than others. And so in this transformation, I'm going to focus on the 3 high leverage drivers that directly impact the following areas: guest confidence, your reviews, conversion, and your pricing power. So this isn't a design competition. It is, however, a value conversation. And if this is the first time checking out one of my videos, by the way, I'm Seth. My partner and I run about a dozen Airbnbs across 2 cities. We've been hosting for almost a decade. We've hosted over 10,000 guests, and our listings generate about $1 million on Airbnb annually. And I share this not to flex, y'all, but to explain the lens I'm using in this video. So our focus isn't about luxury, nor is it about following trends. It is, however, about helping new hosts like you launch and grow profitable and peaceful Airbnbs. So everything that you're going to see in this video comes from patterns that we've observed across thousands of listings. This is not theory, y'all. And if you want to follow along or apply this framework to your own listing, the Airbnb setup checklist that we use with all of our listings and that we share in our coaching and training program is linked below. It is essentially the execution guide for what I'm walking through here, especially if you're a new host, and you can download it below. So here's the story this listing is telling right now. This is peaceful. This is quiet. This actually feels like home. And y'all, the listing description opens exactly this way. So here's what it says: peaceful, quiet, and centrally located in a cul-de-sac area with secondary unit with private entrance, about 15 minutes away from downtown ATL, walking distance to shopping plaza, 2 churches, and elementary schools. And y'all, everything here is actually true, but here's what it also communicates. It comes across as modest, low-key, very safe, but not very elevated. Now, let's look at the title, Home Sweet Home. Now, there's nothing actually wrong with that title, but it actually is not doing any of the strategic work that we need a title to do. It doesn't signal space. It doesn't signal privacy. It also doesn't tell you who's this property for or why this property justifies a higher price. And when we look at this research, it constantly tells us that guests don't actually price based on the number of bedrooms. They price, however, based on confidence. All right, so quick recap. So far in this video, we've identified the story this listing is trying to tell, something that feels safe, familiar, and modest. But here's the costly part. When your photos or the text don't actually signal confidence, guests don't actually just hesitate. They mentally anchor the price to a much lower price point. And y'all, until this perception changes, no pricing strategy in the world is actually going to work for your listing. And so hang in there because that's what we're going to fix next. And this is true not just for this listing, but for all listings. And that is every photo makes a promise. And right now, looking at the photos from this listing, it is saying comfortable, low pressure, no surprises. And that's actually okay. But the photos also feel casual, they feel inconsistent, especially when you consider the lighting. And in a lot of ways, a number of these photos make this listing actually look small. And when we boil it all down, nothing about this photo says this is worth stretching for on the price. So let's flip the script just a little bit. Here's the story we want these photos to tell instead. This home is calm, this space is intentional, and this feels professionally managed. Same furniture, same layout, but different perception. All right, so let's take a look at the transformed photos. And your first shot is going to be the hero shot. You want to think the brightest living room space that captures a potential guest the moment that they see it on Airbnb. And the second photo should also be a living room angle that shows both depth and flow. Next, you want to showcase the kitchen with a wide, daylight, and clean angle. Next, show the primary bedroom with a feeling of both calm and being centered, followed by the primary bathroom, your secondary bedroom, the third bedroom, as well as any kind of flex space that you have at the property. After that, show the secondary bathroom, the private entrance, and any exterior area such as a patio that comes with your property. So let's consider the transformation a little bit more. Before, all the photos compete equally. After this, the photos kind of guide the eye through the property. And if you notice, there aren't any drastic design upgrades. This was intentional. We only did minor changes that any host could make in their property over a single day or maybe even a weekend. So these aren't big upgrades. They are, however, certainty upgrades. Because here's the real uncomfortable truth that we got to sit with. Most hosts don't underprice their property because of weak demand. They do, however, underprice their properties because the listing hasn't actually earned a higher rate as yet. And once the perception changes, the resistance to a higher price also drops in the process. All right, now let's fix the words that go with this new transform listing. So instead of just home sweet home, try quiet 3-bedroom home with private entrance, 15 minutes to downtown ATL. And I'm giving you a slightly longer title, and you can truncate this down to be optimized for mobile on Airbnb. But this new title signals space, privacy, location, and ease. So here's the key part of the new listing description. So welcome to a calm, spacious 3-bedroom home tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac in Decatur, Georgia. With a private entrance and thoughtfully arranged living spaces, this home is ideal for families, professionals, or guests seeking a peaceful stay just minutes from Atlanta. And while this is just the opening part of your listing description, this is the section that will weigh most heavily in helping guests decide whether to click on your listing or to zoom straight past. And what I want you to notice here isn't the wording itself. It is what the description is doing, however. It leads with calm and space and clearly signals who this home is perfect for. It explains the layout to really try to remove some of the uncertainty, as well as reinforce predictability and ease. Y'all, this description is actually not trying to sell you. It is, however, trying to make you feel safe saying yes to this listing. And this part is really critically important because when guests feel confident, they're far less sensitive to higher prices. And so let's now dive into the pricing strategy for this listing. So this listing currently has a 2-night minimum, which is fairly common with properties like these. And right now, Airbnb shows $295 total for those 2 nights, which breaks out to about $147.50 per night. And in the same market, comparable 3-bedroom homes are booking from between $325 a night to $450 a night. So let's be somewhat conservative. So even moving from $147.50 to $325 per night is nearly a $180 per night increase. That breaks down to about $1,800 for 10 nights and $2,700 for 15 nights. So when you consider this host is leaving thousands of dollars per month on the table. Not because the house is lacking. We didn't do massive upgrades to this, but because the listing hasn't fully earned a higher prices yet. And so the key thing I want you to remember is once perception changes, the pricing also follows. And quick pause. I've built this channel specifically for new Airbnb hosts who want systems, not just height. And if this breakdown is helping you see your own listing differently, liking the video and subscribing to this channel helps me keep making content at this level. And that's the trade I'm asking you to make, because we're building out this channel, we're building out this community, and I'd like for you to be a part of it. All right, let's keep going. And so by now, I hope you're beginning to see why two homes with the same layout in the same neighborhood can command very different prices. And the difference here isn't actually luck, y'all. It is, however, perception. So the before, this home was a fairly peaceful home telling a modest story. But in the after, it is the same home telling a confident and intentional story. And that simple change shifts how guests feel, what they're willing to pay, and how consistently your calendar is going to stay full. So that's not just design, that is strategy. And so now that you understand how listing perceptions affects pricing, your next step is learning how to price that story correctly. And so I want to invite you to watch my next video on Airbnb pricing strategy. Because if you focus on presentation alone without also thinking about strategy, you are going to leave thousands of dollars on the table each month. So click right here to watch this next video, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. Click right here to watch this next video.